And here's how to easily change your Samsung Galaxy Store region or country. Follow these all tips very carefully. So the first steps is you have to eject your SIM card. So make sure to remove your SIM card from your device, and after removing your SIM card, now you have to install a VPN app. So go to your Play Store and search for VPN, and all you have to need, install a VPN from Play Store. After that, long press on your Galaxy Store and tap on this info button, and you directly jump into the Galaxy Store app info page. In this page, you have to scroll down and tap on storage and tap on clear data. Tap on delete. This will delete your Galaxy Store all data and caches. After that, go ahead and launch the VPN app. And now go ahead and select a desired country from the VPN country list and connect with the country. Once you successfully connected with the country using VPN, now go ahead and launch Galaxy Store on your phone. And now you see your Galaxy Store country and region successfully changed. Now you can easily access and install blocked app from this Galaxy Store. Thanks for watching.